So this is how I have it set up here. I have the A10 just hanging on a hook, connected to power. You see the battery is charging. I wish it came with some kind of dock or some kind of hook setup that you just clip in from the factory, but this gets the job done. A lot of debris on the ground here, so I'll show you how the Tineco handles that. As far as battery life goes, we have a 1,600 square foot home, and the upstairs is mostly carpet, downstairs is mostly hardwood or ceramic floors like this. And one battery will get you basically everything done, or about 2 cars, and pretty thoroughly 2 cars.
Tineco. Live easy. Enjoy life.